Hold on. Are we still in?
Reset. It says 59 minutes now.
Oh, we have 59 minutes to play this then. No!
What's control?
I don't know. Do you want to try it?
Sure.
One more?
One more.
Okay. About take control, up your rating, score a bonus. This just sounds like a sales job.
Up your bonus.
Captured zones add to your team score. Your player rating increases as you execute special kills and
Wait,
capture or defend.
CSGO was the original, right? Was that one that's like Valorant? Or Valorant's like that one? CSGO? And then there's a CS2 now?
Yes, well, Counter-Strike is like the original. There's like 1.6, and there's Source, and then there's CSGO, but they deleted it, and now there's CS2.
Ah!
I guess it's kind of like the original one, yeah.
I'm trying to learn about why are people saying stuff. I want to know so I can correct myself.
It's just because Counter-Strike came first, and then Valorant got really big. And they're kind of similar because you can get skins into your guns, and there's 5 players per team. It's just there's no abilities since in Counter-Strike, like in this game there's abilities, but in Counter-Strike it's just you just have a gun and you just have armor and that's it.
Yeah.
Well, I think I like that better. The abilities in Valorant confuse me a little bit.
There are like grenades though. There's like smoke grenades and like incendiary grenades, but yeah, there's no abilities or anything like that.
Yeah, Valorant's better.
What was that noise that you made?
I'm just kidding.
It's fine, you know, everybody has preferences, it's okay.
I am actually kidding.